back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to build your affiliate funnel and what are the process used in building the affiliate funnel. That is what we want to discuss today. What are the process, or what is the process used in building affiliate funnel? The first stage is creating your social media ad. Creating your social media ad in any platform that you want, be it Facebook, Instagram, be it YouTube, be it TikTok, be it Twitter, and any social media platform that you want to run your ad from. What are the process used in driving traffic to your funnel? The process are running ad, creating your landing page, creating your thank you page, and social media that you want you deem fit to use in running your ad. Then the essence of running Facebook ad is to drive traffic to your landing page, is to collect their information, is to collect their contact, so that you will be able to keep marketing whatever product you are selling for them. You will keep marketing your product for the contacts that you have collected. When a prospect follow you from Facebook to your landing page and fill up the information that will lead the person to your thank you page, that is to show that this person really want to do this business with you. The person really want to buy your digital product that you are selling. The person want to buy your digital product that you are selling. And as the person want to buy your digital product, that is why they were patiently following you from one step to another and now to this thank you page. And when somebody follow you to this third stage, that is why they call it thank you page. That means this person really want to do this business with you. In this thank you page, this is where you now groom the person. This is now where you hold your webinar. This is now where you want to hold a WhatsApp class. This is where you will now hold your WhatsApp class. Start the webinar, or after the thank you page, the person can now go to your offer page. Your offer page is where you will now send your affiliate link, or where the person will now click on your unique affiliate link to be able to buy whatever digital product that you are selling. And when somebody follow you in this four process, from Facebook ads to your thank you page, from Facebook ads to your offer page, that is to say that the person really want to do this business with you. And you might ask, why would the person be patiently following you in all this process? Yes, the essence of creating this funnel, or the essence of creating this four process, is to be able to ascertain who is really serious in doing business with you. Is to be able for you to know who really want to buy your product. Because if you just say you want to run ad and your thank you page, you will find out that in your thank you page you have a lot of contacts, but you will not get the quality lead that you're looking for. So the essence of this creating or building of funnel is for you to receive quality information from the people that really want to do the business with you. If you get value in this video, please do well to subscribe to my channel, ring the notification bell, and also share my video for others to see. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye.